Today, I'm going to teach you how to calculate working time with break time in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful for tracking employee hours, managing payroll, or simply understanding how much productive time you're actually putting in during your workday. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to workspace.google.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Google Workspace, as this is where all your spreadsheets and documents are stored. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your recent files and folders. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to calculate working time with break time. This could be an existing timesheet you've been maintaining or a new one you've created specifically for tracking work hours. Either way, having your data organized with clear columns will make this process much smoother. Now, let's say you have sample data already set up with 3 key columns: time in, time out, and break time. This is the foundation for calculating actual working hours. Click on an empty cell where you want the calculated working time to appear. Type the equal sign to start your formula, then click the cell that contains the timeout data. This represents when someone finished their shift. Next, add the minus symbol to subtract from that time. Click the cell that contains the time in data, which shows when the shift started. Add another minus symbol because we also need to subtract the break time. Finally, click the cell containing the break time data and hit the Enter key to execute the formula. You'll notice the result appears in a time format, which is helpful, but it might not display the total hours correctly if someone worked more than 24 hours across multiple days, or if you want to see total hours in a specific way. To fix this, click on the cell with your calculated result, look at the top menu, and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, click on Number, then select Custom Number Format. This is where you can define exactly how you want your time data to display. In the Custom Number Format field, type open bracket H close bracket :mm. The brackets around the H are crucial because they tell Google Sheets to display hours beyond the standard 24-hour format, which is perfect for summing up total work hours. Once you've entered this format, click Apply to confirm your changes. Now that you have the formula working perfectly in one cell, you'll want to apply it to all the other rows in your dataset. Click on the cell with your formula, and you'll see a small blue square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Click and drag that blue square downwards to copy the formula to all the rows below. The formula will automatically adjust for each row, calculating the working time for each entry. And that's it. You've successfully set up a system to calculate working time with break time deducted in Google Sheets. This method ensures accurate tracking of actual productive hours. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.